Yes, the first tax rate.
Okay, I'm going to take this out.
Yeah.
But are you going to do it with if L?
If you want, at the end I can.
Okay, no problem. So do it and then code with L.
Yes.
Correct. Good. You brain.
Then just type equal
Equal.
and type V.
V.
Then you roll down to VLOOKUP, double click.
Okay. I double click.
Then you go to C5,
Click C5.
comma.
I do comma.
Then what do you have?
I go to my table area.
Yes, you go to your table. And
My table area is on the right, isn't it?
yeah.
Okay. So where do I select?
From very top.
Always select from the heading. Very important. Okay. So I select from the heading down. Let's see. We cover all this.
Yeah.
Okay. And what do we do next?
Comma.
Ah.
You enter this one.
Yeah, I've selected.
You
Before I
select.
do comma, what do I do?
You click on it.
I click on.
You enter. When you do this, you enter it.
I enter.
You lock it. Okay, you put the. Okay, on my computer is FN4.
Oh, you lock it because
Yeah,
that
you lock
name
it.
is not going to change
Yes.
when you.
You lock it. For others, you
So
put
you,
F4.
to lock it, you press F4. Correct.
F4.
Correct. Correct.
F4.
Very good. Very good. And next,
Put comma.
you do comma.
Then you go to your. That one is 2. Then you put 2 because there are 2 columns.
What's that?
The worksheet.
So it's column. The column index number.
Yeah, the column.
Okay. Why are you putting 2, not 3, not 1?
Because you have only 2 columns. That is from. Yeah, you have only 2 columns. That is the tax return and the rate.
Okay. But assuming you have only 3 columns.
You have.
Assuming there are 3 columns on this data, maybe the last column could be at the address or whatever, but you still need tax rate. So does it mean you should do 3 there?
If you need it, then you put 3.
Okay, that is if you're going to return that particular.
Yes, then you put 3.
Okay.
But this time you need only 2.
You only need